Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be working on Lesson 1, Module 3, page 309. And we're getting introduced to geometry today and through this module. And it's actually kind of a breath of fresh air, this geometry. And it really gives us an idea of what lines are, line segments, angles, rays, and points. So we're going to begin discussing vocabulary. So I am going to zoom in, but I am going to give some portion of this video our vocabulary working with these geometry terms. So let's go with points. When we discuss points, we're discussing just 2 points that are labeled A and B, or any letter in the alphabet. When we continue, we are going to focus now on what's called a line segment. And a line segment is a line that is not going through each point, but it is just touching each point, and it is considered a line. I'll make that a little bit smaller for you. Reduce the size. And boom. All right, that is a line, or this is a line segment. Next, we're going to be dealing with a line. And a line it goes through each point, and it'll continue to go through each point like this. And what we do is we're going to put an arrow at the end to demonstrate that it's going to continue onto this course, and it is not going to stop. It's going to go through these lines. Next is our ray. And the ray is similar to the line. However, going past each point, it only goes past one point. And in this case, it's going through B. So this is our ray. And then our last geometry term is angles. And with angles, we are going to have more than just 1 point. We are going to have 3, A, B, and C. And with these points, I am just going to make line segments, and this is going to be our angle. All right, so our angle is going to be BAC. B, A, and C. Okay, so these are our terms, our geometry terms for today. Points, line segments, lines, ray, and angles. Okay, so let's go into our first little problem. Okay, so draw 2 points, so W and X. W and X. Cool. I'll label them. So I'm done there. Use a straight edge to draw W and X. All right, we're going to draw there we go. All right, done with that. And then draw a new point that is not on WX, label it Y. So I'm going to make a new point, and I'm going to label that Y. Draw WY. All right. Not so bad right now. Okay. Done. And draw a point not on WX and not WY and call it Z. Okay. I'm just going to do this and call it Z. Construct, okay. Construct a ray going from Y to ending at Z. All right, so going to Y and continuing on to Z, and boom, okay, there we go, awesome. And then use the points you've already labeled to name one angle. Okay, so I am going to start with this, and I'm going to name this angle XYZ. So X, Y, and Z. Cool. make that more of a Z. There we go. Okay. That's not too bad at all. And let's go. Remember, slow it down at all if you need any help going through each problem set. But here we can just go into the second one. And this one I'll have you do a lot more on your own. I'll kind of get you there, but I want you to try to do them on your own if you can. So let's draw 2 points, W and X again. This time I'm going to go vertical, W and X. Use a straight edge to draw a line segment. Cool. And then draw a, draw a new point that is not WX. Label it Y. Okay. Draw a line segment going WY. Cool. And then label it. Draw a new point that is not on WX and label it Z. All right, I'm going to label that Z. All right, construct. Oh, looks like a ray. Yeah, it looks like a ray going from Y to W to Z. Interesting. Okay. Oh, that has to go all the way through. All right. Cool. And you know what? I need to make that a little bit neater. All right. Oh, man. Sorry, it's kind of... There we go. Cool. All right. Oh, I had to have it continue, didn't I? Okay, because it's a ray. There we go. Cool. So, now what I want you to do is I want you to identify Z, W, X, that arc in that angle. Please tell me where that angle is. Is it here? Is it here? Okay, please tell me. And then once you do that, then identify another angle. So then give me another angle that you can identify using the angle sign. All right? All right, everybody. I hope this was a simple lesson today, not too confusing. And good luck with science homework.